Hello everyone, welcome to BDS Canon classes. Myself Sanjay Verma. Dear students, today in this video I am going to teach you about colloids. That is a heterogeneous solution. Dear students, it is just like to the homogeneous solution, but really it is a heterogeneous solution. Dear students, a colloidal solution is a kind of solution in which the size of solid particles is intermediate between true solution and suspension. Means the size of these particles is just between true solution and suspension. Okay, the size of colloidal solution are bigger than true solution and smaller than suspension. Okay, for example, soap solution, milk, ink and synthetic detergents. Okay, properties of solution, properties of colloidal solution. Colloidal solutions have following properties, that is, these solutions cannot be seen by microscope. They can scatter the beam of light. These solutions are not seen by naked eye. Okay, and these solutions are represent Brownian movement. Okay, classification of colloidal solutions. Dear students, colloidal solutions are classified into following categories, that is, number 1 sol, number 2 solid sol, solid, number 1 sol, number 2 solid sol, number 3 emulsion, okay, number 3 emulsion, number 4 foam, number 4 foam, number 5th solid foam, number 6 gel, and number 7 is aerosol. Okay, number 7 is aerosol. So, dear friends, this is the classification of colloidal solution. Number 1 is sol. Okay, the colloidal solution in which solid particles are dispersed into liquid medium called as sol. Okay, example ink, soft solution paint. Okay, example is number 1 sol. Okay, I already told you that the colloidal solution in which solid particles are dispersed in a liquid called as sol. Example is ink, paint, soap solution. Okay, soap solution. Next is solid sol. Solid sol. The colloidal solution in which solid particles are dispersed into solid medium are called as solid sol. Example is colored gemstone. Colored gemstone. Gemstone. Okay, next is aerosol. Okay, next is aerosol. Aerosol, the colloidal solution in which solid or liquid particles are dispersed into gas called as aerosol. ओके, ऐसा colloidal solution जिसमें सॉलिड या लिक्विड पार्टिकल गैसेस मीडियम में डिस्पर्स हों, छितिर बितिर हों, एरोसोल कहलाता है. एग्जाम्पल स्मोक, ऑटोमोबाइल एग्जॉस्ट, हेयर स्प्रे, फॉग, मिस्ट एंड क्लाउड. ओके, दैट इज हेयर स्प्रे, फॉग, मिस्ट, cloud, etc. Okay, these are belong to aerosol. Okay, next is emulsion, the colloids in which droplet of one liquid are dispersed into another liquid are called as emulsion. Example is milk, butter, face cream. Okay, next is emulsion. The colloids in which water droplets are dispersed into another liquid called as emulsion. Example is milk, butter and face cream. Okay, so dear friends, these are the examples of emulsion, that is a milk, butter, face cream. Okay, next is foam. Next is foam, that is fifth, colloids. Dear friends, the colloids in which gas is dispersed into liquid are called as foam. Means the colloids in which gas is dispersed into liquid called as foam. Example is beer foam, shaving cream, soap bubbles and fire extinguisher. Okay, example is face cream, shaving cream, fire extinguisher, beer foam, etc. These are belong to foam. Next is solid foam. When gas is dispersed into solid medium, are called as solid foam. Examples are sponge and bread. Okay, solid foam. Example is sponge, bread and foam rubber, insulating foam rubber, insulating rubber. Okay. Next and last is gel. Gel is a sometime semi-solid of solid particle dispersed into liquid. Means the colloids in which solid are dispersed into liquid and form a semi-solid substance called as gel. Example is jellies, gelatin, hair gel, etc. Okay, gelatin, hair gel, face wash, etc. Okay, so dear students, this is the classification of colloids. Okay, I hope that all of you understood the colloids from this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.